It doesn't get more Texan than chicken fried steak. Just like snowflakes, no two are the same. At Cartwright's in Denton, we found one of the biggest chicken fried steaks we've ever seen.
Craving a taste of home, like Grandma used to make? Check in at Cartwright's Ranch House in the heart of Denton Square, where old-fashioned comfort food comes served with a smile. Cartwright's showstopper is their signature chicken fried steak.
This is our chicken fried steak.
Oh, my goodness. This is one order?
I hope you're hungry.
Their Texas-sized chicken fried steak is dredged in Cartwright's special dry mix. And their secret ingredient, a little corn flour, quick fried, then sauced with a silky skillet cream gravy. All served with scratch-made mashed potatoes on the side.
It's so good.
The perfect backdrop for good old-fashioned down-home Texas eats. Next, we're cruising south to Tomball for an over-the-top chicken fried steak with a serious wow factor. You don't have to be a local to feel the love at Craft Grill.
I love the food here. It's always fresh and delicious.
There's a wow factor around every corner at Craft Grill, including their legendary chicken fried steak. It starts by stripping down a hunk of 21-day wet-aged certified Angus beef.
We take every piece of fat and gristle out. There's still marbling, but there's no fat or gristle lines.
Thick slices are then sent through the king of all meat tenderizers.
Most people pound it. We have a jacquard machine that blades it, and we blade it 4 times so that it's really tender when we fresh batter. We fresh batter everything when you order it.
It's one of my favorite items, and just love it.
You won't leave hungry from Craft Grill.
One of my favorite restaurants.
For our last stop, we're heading east for one of our all-time favorites at Papis Cafe in Houston. After nearly 4 decades, Papis Cafe in Houston is still a staple of great food. This award-winning, eye-popping chicken fried steak is a big reason why.
Just the look of it alone, right? You want to dive in.
And why not? We all need a little comfort food these days.
Well, we were named top 10 chicken fried steaks in Texas.
That's huge.
In Texas.
Dishes here make you smile.
I tell you what, I think it's a place, it feels like home. The food is comfort food.
Wishing you many, many, many more years of success.
Appreciate that.
Cheers.
Cheers. Here's to Papis.